Hello everyone, this is John from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 26th of January intraday analysis. On this video, we will cover some news first and then we will just go ahead with our charts. First of all, today is the Fed rate decision date. So tonight we will just receive the news about Fed rate decision. Actually, nobody is expecting a change in rate interest rates. The main issue is the speeches, like how Jerome Powell will just talk about monetary policy, will be hawkish or be dovish, and will just support the stocks, or will support like a working labor force, and then just tell them like inflation is a big problem and then market is overheated, and then if he just says this one, we can just see more declines, blah blah. It's all like that. So the main issue, as I said, the speech of Jerome Powell. We will see, like at in Eastern Europe time at 10:30 p.m. we will just listen all these speeches. And today not much data, macroeconomic data right now published, and then in this afternoon we will receive crude oil stocks in US. That's one of the main movers in the market. And this morning we have received France unemployed person. So that number just declined to almost 3 million only, and that is the lowest level in 5 years. So even lower than pre-pandemic. So the market is just getting tightened because it's just expected. Like in 10 years, you will just feel that so much more. Europe population is shrinking. They were doing these developed countries were just importing people from like Eastern European countries like Bulgaria, Greece, and some other in Romania, Hungary, all these kind of countries. But right now, all those countries as well just done. They don't have any enough young generation, only old people. That's why we will see lower unemployment rate in Europe, especially Europe countries, and even shortages in some sectors. All right, that was the news. All right, let's start with our first chart. The first chart is GBP USD. As you can see here, GBP USD is just falling down. Reason, first of all, is dollar index, and then the second one is the GBP uncertainty in the economy. And there are a lot of problems in the UK economy. First of all, Boris Johnson about this party scandal in COVID measurement times, and a lot of people are just still cannot trust on that those politicians, and even some people expect Boris Johnson to resign from the chair of Prime Minister. We will see that, and the main motivation right now is Fed. As I said, tonight's Fed speeches will just directly affect dollar index. If you just see in here more hawkish speeches and then a signal March rate hike, dollar index will rise, and then we will see higher level of dollar index, and then it will just keep GBP USD on lower level. So please just watch out the news, and then you can just take profit on that one. If the reverse happen, if Jerome Powell says again, I'm saying again, and it's all about the supply chain issues, and it will be solved in the next couple of months, and better to position Fed like this, and not like it may be early, something like that, for rate hike. If you just hear these kind of things, it will just go higher on that case. Just important. Some people are just saying that, all right, these guys are just only economics professor or some other economists, and they are not doctors, so they cannot do anything with COVID situation. So that's why there is nothing to do with monetary policy. That's what some people saying that one. If you just hear more this one, dollar index will be low again, and we will see high level of GBP again. We will see tonight. Let's look at the next chart.
you are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, our next chart is the natural gas. Natural gas is just rising. Reason is political tensions between Russia and Europe. Actually, in US, this is the US natural gas price, Henry Hub natural gas prices. But as there is a demand from Europe to just offset some of Russia's gas, they are just asking for more gas from US. When that happens, we just see that high demand for natural gas, and this is keeping the price higher. If this escalation between Russia and Ukraine just gets over, then we will see a sharp decline until 360s, because there will be excess LNG in the market, because almost like in US and then China, all the stores are enough for winter. Only in Europe, but we are getting at the end of to the end of winter time. It's almost February, and then only 1 month left from for winter time, and the harsh winter conditions will just ease, and the need for natural gas will decrease, and then we will see a price relaxation. So if this conflict just solved quickly, then we will see a sharp decline in natural gas prices. So just $1 move just makes in one lot $10,000. So this is a good opportunity for many investors. You can just take benefit from this one. Let's see what will happen. All right, let's look at our last chart. All right, our last chart is the USD Japanese yen. Let me just show you. All right, so here from high points of USD Japanese yen, right now it is just a decline to lower level. When dollar index just hit to 94 level, it just tested these levels. Then at this level on 24th of January, Bank of Japan has just made some speeches, and then they said when the market is ready, we will just make some interest rate hike. So this is like the first time for many years, and that's why the market just gave some credit to Japanese yen, and then we have seen decline. And right now it is just trying to go higher with Powell's speeches. We will see lower level of Japanese yen or higher level of Japanese yen. It all depends on dollar index right now. As you can see here, it is just spending time at the resistance. If it just breaks that one, the first level to test, it will be 150 level will be the first test area. We will see tonight what will happen. Thank you so much for watching us. We will be together on more news this afternoon, and then we will just talk about more Fed decision issue. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.